Hi everyone, Lucy here again, and today we're going to talk more about the TOEFL speaking test. And in this video, we're going to focus specifically on task 6, which is the integrated summarized lecture task. So first, we're going to describe the task, then we're going to have time for preparation and presentation, and then I'm going to give my own sample response. So the purpose of this lesson is to understand exactly how to answer TOEFL speaking task 6, summarized lecture. Okay, so what exactly is involved in speaking task 6? Well, you need to first listen to a lecture, then you need to summarize the main ideas. Pretty straightforward. Now, how much time do you have? You have 30 seconds to prepare, and then you have 60 seconds to speak. Now remember, as always, you should take that time during preparation to make some notes, use your scratch paper and pen wisely. And then during the presentation time, make sure you use the full time, don't stop too early. Okay, so remember the first part here is we're going to listen to a lecture. Okay, now remember that as you listen to the lecture, you should take notes. Okay, are you ready? Here's the lecture.
Extinction in biology, the dying out or termination of a species. Extinction occurs when species are diminished because of environmental forces, habitat fragmentation, global change, overexploitation of species for human use, or because of evolutionary changes in their members, genetic inbreeding, poor reproduction, decline in population numbers. Firstly, many species have become extinct because of hunting and overharvesting, the conversion of wetlands and forests to croplands and urban areas, pollution, the introduction of invasive species, and other forms of human-caused destruction of their natural environments. Indeed, current rates of human-induced extinctions are estimated to be about 1,000 times greater than the past natural rates of extinction, leading some scientists to call modern times the sixth mass extinction. This high extinction rate is largely due to the exponential growth in human numbers. From about 1 billion in 1850, the world's population reached 2 billion in 1930 and more than 6 billion in 2000, and is expected to reach about 10 billion by 2050. Additionally, as a result of increasing human populations, habitat loss is the greatest factor in current levels of extinction. For example, less than 1/6 of the land area of Europe has remained unmodified by human activity, and more than half of all wildlife habitat has been eliminated. In more than 4/5 of countries in the Paleotropics, Africa, Asia, and Indonesia. Furthermore, increased levels of greenhouse gases have begun to alter the world's climate, with slowly increasing surface temperatures expected by the middle of the 21st century to force many species to migrate towards the poles and up mountain slopes in order to remain in habitats with the same climate conditions. Most ecologists, conservation biologists, and climate scientists worry that global warming will contribute greatly to species extinctions. All these factors have increased the number of threatened species. Almost 1 in 4 mammal species, including 4 of the 6 remaining species of great apes, and 1 in 8 bird species were considered at significant risk of extinction at the start of the 21st century. In addition, the World Wildlife Fund noted in a 2016 report that the vertebrate population overall declined by 58% between 1970 and 2010.
Okay, once you've listened to the lecture, now it's time to prepare. Remember, you're going to have 30 seconds to prepare. Make those notes. All right, your preparation time starts now. Okay, so do you feel ready? Now it's time for presentation. Remember, you're going to have 60 seconds and don't stop before the 60 seconds is up. Okay, are you ready? Here you go. Okay, great. So now it's time for me to give my own sample response. Okay, are we ready? I hope I am. So the lecture talks about species extinction, its causes and its effects. Extinction is defined as the termination of a species, and it happens when the numbers of a species decline. This could be due to environmental factors like global warming or environmental changes. So the major causes are human-related, such as hunting or deforestation. Humans have caused extinction events to rise at a rate thousands of times higher than in the past, causing the 6th mass extinction. Increased human population has also contributed to loss of habitat, which is the largest cause of animal extinction. Only 1/6 of European land has been untouched by humans. Another cause is greenhouse gases. Their emissions have increased, causing a negative impact on the climate. So many experts are worried that global warming will be a large contributing factor to species extinctions. Okay, great. How did I do? I hope that this video is helpful to you, and I hope the sample response is helpful too. Thank you again for watching. Remember that if you have any questions, check out our website at e2language.com. Thanks again for tuning in, and hope to see you next time. Bye.